What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Rx7 Build. Today we're gonna take apart the rotary engine for the first time, of course, for me. We're gonna see what is damaged in the engine. Hopefully none of the rotor housings or irons or rotors are not damaged because it costs a lot of money, and hopefully everything is okay, so we can send it for a little machining so everything can be smooth and perfect, and come straight back so we can close it and we put it back on the car right away. And of course we're gonna start making a little more power, little by little, of course. And yeah, so let's do that. All right, guys, now is the time of the truth. So I'm gonna open everything now. I hope it's not a big damage on the rotors or the rotor housing or the irons. I really don't want to see that because it costs a lot of money to get each piece. So hopefully it's an apex seal and it just went through the exhaust port. Let's see. Fingers crossed. Let's open it and I hope everything goes well. Let's do it. Oi, is he there? Oh, corner seal is over here. Another corner seal. All the corner seal. Let's see now. Oh boy. First time, guys, I open rotary engine. That's my first time. Let's see what we have here. First iron. Has a little chip over here, but I don't know why this one, like a little deep. Let's keep going. This is not that bad. Probably this one with the machine we can make a little smoother. I don't like this area over here. It has a lot. It has a deep cut, like it's, I don't know, it looks weird. Let's keep going. Okay. These ones. Look, these one, they look burned. One side they're good, one side they're not good. Like, I mean, I'm gonna change this one to a solid ones for sure. So let's see. Nothing is stuck. I don't see. Oh, here it is. Fell off. That's the one of the corner. That's one of the apex seals, but I don't think they're broken. Let's keep going. I think I'm gonna try to take all the rotor out. Try to hold the apex seals. I hope so. I think I got it. Yep. Okay, let's go there. I don't know why, but it looks so small. I can't believe this small thing makes so much power. Whatever. Uh-oh. Broken piece. That's a broken piece over here. That's a broken piece, guys. The rotor housing doesn't look bad at all, so I think it didn't got hit. It didn't got hit, I think. I think we're good. But look at this little piece. I don't know if you guys can see it on my hand. Like it's a little piece over here. Definitely from the apex seals, I guess. Alright guys, let's keep going. I mean, it looks really bad over here from the oh my god guys, I'm so happy we saved this one. We saved it. The one. Yes, let's keep going. So this one, eccentric shaft. It looks pretty clean, not bad at all. So the middle iron, this one is good too, but I don't really like these kind of lines over here. They're really hard. I think it needs like a little cleanup for sure. Okay, that's a tricky one. So I take this. Okay, I got this. Don't fall all down, please. Oh shit. Oh boy, it's fucking scary. Oh boy. Okay. Oh. Not bad at all. See this one? Oh my god, yes. Perfect. Perfect, guys. It looks perfect. Alright, guys. This iron, easy. This iron. Okay. Why it's still here? Okay. I thought it broke in there. It's missing the rubber. Same thing, not big scratches, just the same way the other one was. Okay, stick the rotor out, same way. Let me try to save all of them. Oh, that's it. Guys, we save everything. I can't believe it. Probably this one we're gonna refinish it. Only these parts, and we're good. Thank God we saved all the housings. My God, it's so messy, the garage. Alright guys, as you saw, we took everything off. I'm really surprised, like I never seen like a rotor, the complete rotor engine in my life pretty much. And I'm really surprised like how small it is, and I expected it to be a little bigger. On videos it looks much bigger, but you know, in person I guess it looks like that. So definitely right now we're gonna start checking the apex seals, which one is broken or why we lost why I lost compression, and yeah, and we'll keep going on that. Let's see. First we have first apex seal. Oh my God, how is that possible, guys? Oh my God, it broke a lot, this one. Look at this. First of all, it broke here. You're supposed to go a little farther and a little more of the corners, and the other one it broke is the back side. Is the back side of the seals, as you can see it. I don't know why this one broke. Probably because it didn't have a lot of space. When this one broke, it moved to the other side, and then something happened like that. So we lost one for sure. The springs looking good. I don't like this one. It's a little curved to the side, so I think I'm gonna get new ones. So one. Alright, so let's see this one. This one, guys, is good. Nothing happened to this one. Let's see the last one. This one, the rear. This one also is good, but I don't really like the mark of the spring over here. Yep. Probably this mark is when the car was sitting for so long before I bought it. So yeah, this looks good too. So we have only one lost apex seal. The springs, corner seals. Yep, here we are. One more here. Yeah, this one looked like a really pressed down. I think this engine got destroyed because it was sitting for so long, and then, you know, the way I drove it. Okay, apex seal one is gone. Side seals, all of them look good, but I think I'm gonna change all of them. I want to keep the same. The seals as well. Yep. And you know what? Let me check the other one, apex seals too. I'm really worried about that. What about here? No, this one is good. This is not bad. What about here? This one, this one looks good too. What about here? This one looks good too. So this one, but why this one didn't have compression then? If these apexes were good, that's the other question now. But these rubber things, like, they look so burned. I think they were stuck in there. If you see, like, in there, like, they're really bad. Like, so far doesn't look bad. So now that the bearing doesn't look bad either. Yep, doesn't look bad either. And the thing with the broken part, like that one, it broke. I didn't find it at all. And I guess it went outside of the exhaust. That's why it didn't damage. That's why it didn't damage at all the housing or the rotors or anything. I'm really glad on that. It looks pretty decent. Like, it doesn't look bad at all. Like, I just want to see here. Not bad at all. If I'm gonna clean all of these. These corners looks good. This one same. Alright guys, as you saw, we take everything apart. Everything looks perfect. Hopefully when I send it to Canada to Rx7 Specialties, I spoke with Adam, as I said the last time, so hopefully everything is okay. If he says everything is okay, I'm gonna tell him what to do next, because I really want to do some extra stuff on it so it can handle more power, of course, and we can make it like a bulletproof engine, like we said the last time. So yeah, so I'm really happy right now, because thank God the little piece, it went through the exhaust port and it didn't damage anything in the engine, and I'm really glad that happened. So now we're just gonna wait the parts to arrive to Adam, to Canada, and then whenever they come back, we're gonna close everything. So stay tuned and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.